You hear me frying chicken. I'm sorry. I like lots of black pepper on everything. From my grits in the morning, peppered eggs, you name it. I love black pepper. And I'm just going to put a little bit of fine sea salt, just a little. Salt to taste, salt to taste. You can roast these as well, but I love them sauteed or pan-fried. If you hate Brussels sprouts with a passion because you've never had fresh Brussels sprouts, you gotta try this. Very simple. You will become a Brussels sprout lover. And here's a little fun fact for you. It's hard to say that word. Fun fact. Brussels sprouts are related to broccoli and not cabbage. Go figure. Always thought of them as little cabbages. But, no, they're little broccolis. Alrighty, so these don't take long, between 10 and 15 minutes of medium high to medium high heat. Very simple. Now I'm just gonna kick it up a notch. Who said that? Somebody, I heard that from somewhere. About 4 large cloves of garlic. I mean, who can resist garlic, right? I'm going to add these in the end because I do not want them burnt. Even though I'm one of the rare people that don't mind a little bitterness from burnt garlic, but because Brussels sprouts tend to lean a little heavy on the bitterness sometimes, I don't want a double bitter taste in my mouth. Now, I like mine, as you see, firm, but if you don't like firm vegetables or you have trouble because of any dental issues, you can just sprinkle a little what is that stuff called? chicken stock, chicken broth, or a little water to soften them just a little. Now, I'm not a raw garlic person, so you're just heating it enough just to get that raw garlic flavor off. All right, and that's it. Call it a day. Let's see. You see how beautiful that is? Yeah. Beautiful and simple. As we say, the KISS method. Keep it simple, sweetie. You thought I was going to say something else, didn't you?